Breaking news coming in out of Uttarakhand, and it's cold drift that has now been banned in Uttarakhand as well. The factory controller and additional commissioner of the FDA has issued the order. The Uttarakhand government has also issued this advisory. The Union Health Ministry, do remember, has sought strict compliance from all drug manufacturers in line with the revised Schedule M norms for pharmaceutical products in India, and licenses of non-compliant units would be cancelled, is the warning that was put out by the ministry. And now we have action that is being taken, that cold drift has now been banned in the state of Uttarakhand as well. We have my colleagues Anushka and Niharika joining us. Niharika, over to you first. Take us to the action that is being taken in regard to banning this cough syrup, this cold drift in the state of Uttarakhand.
Yes, absolutely. See, after the situation, what happened here in Chhindwara, many of the states have banned cold drift syrup, if we talk about it. So, not only in Madhya Pradesh, but also in Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and now in Uttarakhand, this cold drift syrup is banned. Also, if we talk about today's happening here in Chhindwara, so yes, after these many days and these many deaths, now CM Dr. Mohan Yadav is also coming here to Chhindwara, and he'll be visiting all the families who have lost their children today in Parasya. Along with this, the leader of opposition, that is the PCC chief Jeetu Patwari, he will also be visiting here today in Parasya. He'll be reaching here around 10 o'clock, and then if we talk about same Dr. Mohan Yadav, he'll be reaching here around 1:30, and then he'll be meeting all the families, and he will also be asking about the situation, what happened, and what kind of measures should have been taken. Along with that, he will be meeting with the collector or SDM and all the members, those who will be present there, and those who are the authorities who are taking care of this case. Other than this, today Dr. Praveen Soni will also be produced in the court. As we talk about it, Saturday late at night he was taken in custody by the police, and then yesterday in the morning he was arrested by the police. After that, they have started the investigation about the same, and if we talk about it, so yes, today he will be produced in the court. So yes, there are three major happenings today here in Chhindwara. But as you were also saying, that not only in Madhya Pradesh, but the measures have been taken all over the India now, and people are indulged with this case after what happened here in Madhya Pradesh. They are taking measures for the cold drift syrup, and also the other medicine which should have been taken with care by the parents for the children, and also the doctors, those who are prescribing it. Yes.
Right. We also have our colleague Anushka with us. Anushka, take us to the details of the action that the government is taking. Now we see another state that has banned that cough syrup.
Right, Divya, what we understand at this point is that the Union Health Secretary chaired a high-level meeting with the secretaries of the state as well as the drug regulators of state, taking into consideration to take action on the matter with respect to this cough syrup. We do know that all states have been asked to, strictly comply with the revised Schedule M. What is this Schedule M? These are the good manufacturing practices that must be followed across all pharmaceutical units and manufacturing units. And units that, do not comply with these measures, their licenses will be cancelled. And this is the case with the manufacturing unit in Kanchipuram, wherein the Tamil Nadu FDA found diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol in the cold drift cough syrup. And thereafter, this pharmaceutical unit in Kanchipuram, Srishan Pharma, their license has been cancelled, and also criminal action is being taken up against them. We've also been given to understand from the centre is that states have been exhorted to work in coordination in tandem with the centre, that is, make early reporting of any such discrepancies or irregularities that they find, and also work end to end, which now means that the states are to report on a very strict end-to-end basis to the centre with respect to updates on the cold drift cough syrup. We also know that 19 samples, from which 10 samples were analysed by the centre, and out of these 10 samples, 9 samples have been found with completely clear. It is that one sample of cold drift cough syrup that was found to have contamination. Back to you.
Right.